Hello, my name is Bob Kress. I'm the founder and owner of Truck Crane Solutions, LLC, a specialty trucks and equipment sales dealership located in Bluffton, Indiana. I've been serving customers since 1978 after being granted a state of Indiana motor vehicle dealer license. Today, TCS is focused on providing superior pre-owned hydro-excavator, vacuum sewer, and wastewater trucks. This unit's truck chassis is a 2012 International WorkStar 7600. It has 86,300 ECM miles, 9,300 ECM total engine hours, and only 2,184 PTO hours. We're zooming in on the vacuum system, which is commonly referred to as a blower. This unit is equipped with an industry standard Roots 824 blower. It's known to be one of the best. This is a positive displacement vacuum combo unit. It is capable of hydro excavation and stormwater maintenance. The manufacturer is HI-VAC Corporation, and the model is an AQUATECH-CB for catch basin, HE for hydro excavation. This vacuum system can convey material in excess of 350 feet. The blower is engine driven through a continuous duty transfer case. It has up to 18 inches of vacuum. That's huge. We spent $25,000 on AQUATECH upgrades, attachments, and servicing. This truck is as close to new as it gets. There are 3 gray upright left and right side water tanks totaling 500 gallons per side. The fully hydraulic powered upper telescoping boom hydraulically extends the boom, lifts and turns the boom, which pivots on a central cylinder to position the 8-inch vacuum hose and vacuum tubes. We're zooming in on the upper boom cylinder that greatly extends the boom as needed. I forgot to mention that the unit is capable of airflows of 5,250 CFM. The rear hatch of the debris tank body is dome-shaped for added strength, unlike others with flat hatches. This is a full opening rear hatch that is opened and closed by 2 double-acting hydraulic cylinders. It is also equipped with 4 double-acting hydraulic cylinders that operate the hatch locking system. The rear hatch also has a vacuum tube rack that holds a vacuum extension tube and a specialized hydro excavation tube. You can see the tube rack mounted towards the front of the debris tank, holding 2 longer vacuum tubes and 3 hydro excavation high pressure water wands. I am zooming in on the truck's advanced 46,000 pound Hendrickson HMX rear suspension. This suspension is very stable when dumping and provides a smooth ride. You can see there are 2 vacuum tubes that are shorter in length mounted below the upright tube rack. All 8 of the aluminum vacuum tubes, all 3 of the high pressure vacuum wands, all excavation spray tips, nozzles, hose reel hose, and spray handles are new. I'll pan over the control panel so you can get an idea of what it looks like. You can also see the hose reel with the new hose. The back of the cab is spotless. There's a close-up of the control panel that's all properly labeled. That is a electric spotlight reel. Now take a look at the back of the cab. Those are the original pinch welds. There's no rust. They're original. They've not been repainted. The truck is immaculate. Give you a little closer look at the rear of the cab. That's where they always rust. There is no rust, and there has been no rust on that cab. Once again, the hose reel with a high pressure hose. The electric spotlight reel with the spotlight attached. In the lower left corner of the picture, see the 3 bolt heads located just above the rim of the basket. This is a huge water pump used for cleanup and hydro-excavation. This pump puts out up to 40 gallons per minute, 2,000 psi to 2,500 psi. This aluminum toolbox holds all of the new vacuum tube clamps. The high pressure half-inch water hose delivers up to 40 gallons per minute at 2,000 to 2,500 psi. This is the water tank hydrant fill hose. There are 3 high pressure hydro excavation wands and different cutter tips for use depending on the ground being excavated. Here is some additional information about this unit that we may have already discussed. This is a 2012 Hydro-Vac vacuum hydro excavator, commonly referred to as a combo unit, that is also a vacuum sewer and wastewater truck. The high pressure water pump is rated at 40 gallons per minute water flow at 2,000 to 2,500 psi. This unit cleans, collects, and hydro-excavates. We have a complete typed out truck chassis and AQUATECH unit specification sheets, original factory build sheets, and the AQUATECH huge operation, service, and parts manual. I realize no truck is perfect, but this one is about as close as it gets. It's ready to go. It needs nothing. It's clean, clean, clean. Just take a look at the firewall here. That's not been repainted. That's original. It's just that nice. There might be a few little blemishes here and there on the paint, but that's understandable. And like I said, this is the cleanest unit like this we've ever had. It does have double power steering units, or I should say double power steering gearboxes. The specs on this truck are super heavy duty. This will give you a little bit of a picture of the interior. You can see the bottoms of the doors are original and spotless. They have not been redone. The seams are not rusty. The floor, the dash, the seats, the headliner, everything is as it should be and very, very clean and nice. Take a look at the seats. This is the higher level interior. There is the wireless remote. There is a rear camera. The overhead console with the rear light safety illuminator. That's the rear backup camera again. That's the wireless remote for the boom. The push button Allison automatic transmission controls. See how clean and nice the gauges and the dash are. There's no check engine light on. Like I said, everything operates as it should. It does have tilt wheel, air conditioning that blows ice cold. I'm Bob Kress, owner of Truck Crane Solutions LLC, located in Bluffton, Indiana. Should you need any additional information, you can contact me on my cell phone, 260-433-2792, or email me at bob@tcsdealer.com.